Okay, hello everyone, this is Goodison Gamer. How are you doing? Today I'm gonna play some elevator action on the Commodore 64. And this is a classic franchise. I have done some 3 earlier reviews on this game on other systems. But now, let's take a look at the Commodore 64 version. And as everyone can hear, nice 8-bit music going on in the background here by Mr. Whittaker, I think he's called. Very good music, very dramatic. I'm liking it. And this dude did music to the Amstrad CPC version as well, and that is really cool tune as well. But that's a different story. I can review that game at a later point. Now, let's try some Commodore 64. So, here I am as an agent. So I shoot... No, what the hell am I... This is strange. Why do I jump? Okay, there. Okay, I shoot. I shoot with my A button, but what? I jumped before, but that's crazy. Okay, I shoot with my A button here. I use my Xbox One controller here. And of course I play on emulation. So I will need to go in here with these doors. That is highlighted here. But how do I go in here? There you go. The controls are pretty stupid actually. There is another door. But I don't think I have to collect all the documents, because the documents are behind these doors. Whoop, there you go. But I can go in and collect some. There are 200 points. So the objective is to go down to the ground floor and avoid being killed. So I mean, I tried this game like a week ago and I thought it was crap all over, but the game has grown on me a little bit. I think it looks pretty decent actually. The main character here looks a little stupid, but it's alright. And this, look at this, how he shoots. It's floaty. It's a little bit floaty in my opinion. So I'm on level 13 here. Oops, there we go. Can I go in here? Yes, I can. And let's take the elevator. But it's a little bit stupid that I cannot control the elevator. It's you know, like random. Shall I try to... Shit! So this is a little bit annoying actually. Shit. And I start from the beginning. That is shit. It takes me all the way back to the beginning. And that was not the case on other systems that I have played. So this sucks actually. So yes, let's try if we can go down here to the ground floor. Shit. I died again. Shit. Yeah, so that is very annoying. That you have to start all the way from the beginning. That is bollocks, actually. I should try to complete this level at least, if it is possible. Shit! Why is the elevator moving so fast? I don't have a chance to go off. There. Thank you. I really appreciate it. 8th floor. You bastard. You bastard. Yeah, okay, I go. When I press buttons here, my emulator screws up, so I should try to. There you go. I am go. There you go. Can we go into the game once again, please? I should try it once again. So it's a decent game actually, but it's a little bit frustrating, I must say. What the hell happened? There I am. Come on. Well, the music is the best with this game. The graphics is pretty decent actually. It's not that bad. It's not that good either, but so can we this elevator is so annoying. It just goes up with like a tenth of a second. Don't give me there. Why can't I go off? Okay, come on now. Go down there. Did I jump there? It's a little bit crazy with these controls actually. You bastard. So there you go. Yeah, the controls is not the best. So can I make it? If I don't make it, it's not completely catastrophic. You bastard. Last life now. What the hell? I don't understand the controls here. Sometimes I jump, sometimes I shoot. It seems like it's randomized. You bastard. This elevator is getting on my nerves actually. Man, look, why can't I go off? How hard can it be? There you go. And fuck. Now I didn't die for some strange reasons. I don't understand this game. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I did it. Yeah, I did it. I didn't see that one coming. So I'm happy for that. I completed the level. Hooray, hooray, hooray for me. Okay, yeah, I mean, no, there are better versions than this game. But as I said, good music going on here. I can sit and listen to the music and just skip the game. It's like krautrock. It can be a Tangerine Dream song or something like that. Yeah, cool. But the game is not the best. It's pretty average. I will rate it 5 out of 10. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Take care and have a good one. Goodbye.